Hello, my name is Maksim Duhanov. I work in the Clover project. I like working on this project. Here you can solve non-standard tasks and look for new solutions. In the Clover project, I am engaged in such a new, trendy and promising area as NFT. The point of NFT is that it's possible to preserve the ownership rights to art in the blockchain network, buy, sell and transfer these rights. The Clover blockchain in this case ensures data security, that they cannot be fake. Clover NFT opens up opportunities for digital content creators. In Clover NFT, authors can earn money by selling and reselling the rights to digital content that they have created. Clover NFT is designed to solve the following tasks. First, certify the image uploaded by user and set the certificate of ownership in the blockchain in the form of NFT token. Second, sell the rights to own the token. Third, to receive a commission to the author for each resale of his work by other users, maximum 10% at the moment. Service nft.clovernet.io takes percents of each sale and resale of the NFT token. The service also receives a commission for creating an NFT token. The commission depends on the network load as well as the setting of the smart contract. So, let's demonstrate the process of the creating an NFT token on the platform. In the browser, go to main page of the site nft.clovernet.io. Click the login button. We see a dialog box opening where we need to enter an email and password. If you don't have a login and password, click registration button. Since I already have an account, I enter my details and click login. After successful authorization, we get into the personal account, the Create NFT section. Here we see our balance as well as the Upload Image button. Click on the Upload Image button. We select the image of the computer that we want to upload to the system. We are waiting for the image to load after the image has loaded. We see a form to fill out information about our image. We fill it sequentially. Fill in the sample title field. This is the name of our work. Fill in the sample description field. This is the description of our work. In the applicant field, specify the author of the work. Price, the cost of our work. Here we indicate in USDT the price at which other users can buy our work. Let's introduce two. Allow sale checkmark. By setting this checkmark, we allow other users to buy our work. If it is not checked, the token will be created but will not available for purchase. But we can change this value in the future. Next, we have the commission section. Here we can specify the commission amount as a percentage. We will retrieve this percentage after our work is bought and we resold. We will receive the percentage from each resale. The maximum value is 10. Enter 10. Next comes the select you sell method section. I'll tell you about it more detail. By choosing the set price value, we allow other users to buy our token at the fixed price. If we select the highest bid value, we create an action in which the user who made and the maximum bid wins. When creating an auction, we must specify start price. This is initial price of the auction, and bidding time, how long the auction will last, days, hours and minutes. Let's choose the set price value for now. I'll fill it in. Click the pay 0.5 USDT and publish button. 0.5 USDT is the current price of token placement on the platform that the user must pay to the system. This price is changed by the owners of the platform. Also, the commission price depends on the network load. Click the button. After submitting the form, we see a message that our application has been sent for consideration. After a while after our application is verified, an entry will be created in the blockchain, and we will see our token in the My NFT section. Here we will see the same form for changing the information about the loaded token. Here we can also change the sales settings. We can change the price or create an auction for our token. Also, our token will appear on the main page on the platform in the new NFT section. Also, our token will appear in the market category of the platform. We will demonstrate the process of searching and buying an NFT token by a user on the platform. Let's go to the main page of the site. On the main page of the site, we can see the lasted works added the RFS in the NF NFT section. We can use the category navigation to find and write job for us, or use the keyword to search. By clicking on the work we like, we get to the page with detailed information about the token. Here we see the name, description and price of the work, as well as the name of the current owner of the token. At the bottom of the page, we see the rating of this work based on user ratings as their reviews. We can also leave a review and rate this work. By clicking on the owner nickname, we can view information about the owner and list tokens that belong to him. Let's go to the token page. On this page, we can buy this token. Also, here we will see what information the system and the creator of the token will receive of the purchase. To buy a token, we need to click to buy button. After clicking on the button, we will see confirmation window with a warning that 2 USDT will be debited from our balance for the purchase of the token. Click buy. After waiting of the request to be sent to the blockchain, we will see a message that the purchase was successful. Let's go to personal account. In your personal account, go to the My NFT section. Here we can see this token has appeared. You may notice that the yellow check mark is not enabled. After they have bought a token, it's automatically withdrawn from trading. If we decided to sell our token, we must set new price allow token to be sold by putting the checkbox. Of course, we want to sell this work. The direction of NFT is currently only developing in the world, and therefore we have several questions and ways of development. The first NFT project allows storing the rights to already created unique images. On this project was CryptoPunks. These projects allow storing the rights to one of 10,000 images on the blockchain network. Released in 2017, the package CryptoPunks NFT was sold for 17 million at Christie's auction. Now we're working on a lot creating and signing digital images that will allow new authors to quickly get involved in the process of creating and trading digital works. Stay tuned for updates.